How to withdraw money from TikTok Shop. Withdraw TikTok Shop earnings. Hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, I will be teaching you how you will be able to withdraw the money that you have earned inside of TikTok Shop. So as you can see right now on our screen, we're currently in TikTok Shop Seller Center. And what you're going to look for is over here on the left side. Over here, this is where you will be able to find the different tools. Simply scroll down and look at the bottom and look for the section that says Finance. And inside Finance, you can find withdrawals, transactions, invoice center, and tax. Simply select withdrawals, which will show us all the information regarding or related to withdrawals. And as you can see here, you will be able to see how much you are able to withdraw. You are able to make one withdrawal every 40 or every 24 hours. And you need to connect a primary bank account because of course that is where the money would be withdrawn to. And you will be able to see in the history your withdrawals and earnings as well. So make sure that you have connected your bank or your bank account number so that the money that you would like to withdraw has a place to go. So that's basically it guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.